Friends, today I am going to show you all how to make this yummy ketchup toast. It's very easy, not of much ingredients and very fast to cook. You can pack this for the school tiffin box or evening snacks also. It's very tasty and yummy and all ages will like it. Ingredients needed for this tomato toast is tomato sauce, ketchup, butter and required shape of bread. The first step is apply sauce thoroughly on both the sides of the bun. Now put the stove on. Now start applying butter. Let it get roasted in butter itself. Now flip it to the other side and start applying sauce generously. Add generous amount of butter. This is how the final finish will look. It's very yummy, very tasty. You try it, you will like it.